Sunday evening, July 2nd, and oh my gosh, it is a steam bath here in New Jersey. I make the mistake of coming out right after I've just freshly showered. I feel all fresh and clean inside in the air conditioner and come outside and it's a steam bath, but I can't resist coming out when I have this going on in my backyard garden. So there's a few things that are starting to open up here, and I just wanted to give you guys a look at things that are blooming and blushing and all of the wonderful things that are happening on this beautiful, humid Sunday evening on 4th of July weekend. So let's go for a walk through our backyard garden. I want to show you what we have blooming. I am going to last out here even less time than I originally thought, so I think you'll be spared a long video tonight. But look at the beautiful snapdragons. These are mesmerizing. I swear every day I come out and I feel like I'm living in a Monet painting. These are so beautiful. There are some such stunning colors here. I am awestruck by these colors. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a closer look at these beautiful blooms and colors, and there's so many butterflies and happy insects that live back here now. So it's golden hour and the sun is on the other side, so you're getting a different, probably a less overblown view of these snapdragons right now. Gosh, they are so beautiful. This color right here, every time I look at it, I just keep thinking, wow, I would love to have a dress or a shirt or something this color. Just absolutely stunning. This here just reminds me of freshly popped popcorn. This was one of the best things I could have ever bought. This is the Baker Creek Snapdragon Tall Deluxe Mix. And every single color. Will you look at this? I didn't have the camera with me the other day, and I came out and there was a bumblebee, and it was literally getting all up inside of into the blooms, and it had gone like right up inside here and tucked its whole entire body in. It's just little legs were out flailing, and it was just like such a special little moment to see this bee just happily getting in after its pollen. Look at these colors. If ever you're going to buy a flower that is a tender perennial, I would recommend this flower packet from seed. Again, Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds Snapdragon Tall Deluxe Mix. I am in love. So my hair's about to go wild and wiry and Irish, and I should have pulled it back in a ponytail before I started filming, but I was too excited because we are supposed to get some heavy rains tonight, so I wanted to get moving on a video before I go back in the house. But the greenhouse has been 120 degrees, so I can't have anything in there. I have some supplies in there, and that's about it, but I'm getting ready to clean it out. Oh, you know what? I didn't show you. Hang on for a second. Let me turn you around here. You didn't see my bench. Look, Farmer John built it for me. We had gone and bought the top slab part. That is reclaimed stone. The stone is several hundred years old. It was one of the original stones that was put in part of the streets in Philadelphia, and there was a big renovation project and a building. It was like, I can't remember what they said they used it for, but it was very expensive. We bought two pieces, and we were going to build steps with them, but it didn't work out. So instead they became a bench, and we just bought the paver stones from Lowe's for like $2 a piece. And so now we have this incredible bench. I'll turn the camera around and show you. Unfortunately, you're seeing some bird poo. The little wild birds like to come sit on it, and unfortunately they poop all over it. But you really can't tell at first glance that the legs we created are not really stone. They're just concrete, and the color matched perfectly. So this bench is the perfect little height, and now I can sit here and we are able to watch the sunset up into this direction, and it's a perfect view, and we have the pond here, and we get to sit and look at all of the beautiful daisies that are blooming. Oh, they're so beautiful. And now we have beautiful coneflower. We planted this years ago, and because we had rabbits in the yard, we were unable to really successfully grow it. But now that we're able to keep the rabbits blocked out, we're growing things that we were never able to have before. And I'm also loving my little wildflower and magical daylily garden here that's right by our patio. Oh my gosh, these daylilies are so beautiful. And there's another coneflower that has showed up mixed into all of the daisies. But something that is finally starting to bloom, oh, in this beautiful golden hour sunlight, is the Mexican sunflower. I'm going to take you around and show you a closer look at the beautiful orange color. Wow, will you just look at this flower? I cannot wait to see it in full bloom. I think tomorrow, if we don't get terrible rain tonight, we should be able to see it fully open tomorrow for you. I'll make sure that I get some video. Just gorgeous. Wow, and this giant daylily, you can see my hand for reference. This guy here is called Thin Man, and this is one of the new varieties I bought from the daylily farm this year. Thin Man is a beautiful daylily. This yellow is so vibrant with its beautiful red striated leaves that curl back. Oh, so beautiful. And this gorgeous daylily is called Beyond a Reasonable Doubt. This one just started blooming yesterday, so this is the second bloom we got off of it, and it's the first year of it being here. So just, you know, knowing that I'm having a few, I'm so excited. But it turns out that there's a ton of buds coming up, so I'll be able to enjoy it plenty for this season. I couldn't be happier with all of these beautiful zinnias that are popping up all over the yard. And again, I told you earlier that I squirreled them away, and it's going to be a surprise to both of us when they all finally open. But I'm going to give you a closer look at how they look as they're starting to open. They're not as big of a flower bloom as I thought they might be, but they're still beautiful. So let's get a closer look at the colors. Such a beautiful orange color. I think that this, I don't know what this is. I don't know which one it is. This could be one of the California Giants. It could be one of the Queen Limes. I know it's not the Senorita. I don't really know. You know, I love them all the same is what I'm saying at this point. This one I'm pretty sure is the Queen Lime though. Look at that beautiful head opening up. Really gorgeous. Here's a few more. So tomorrow should be a better day with all of these blooms. It's so exciting when the flowers are starting to bloom. I'm in one of the tomato beds here, you guys. Do you see that? Oh gosh, it is our very first tomato that is blushing. And not only is it the first tomato that's blushing, but it's the first tomato that actually grew in this garden. So it's the first in the row of the new galvanized beds that we made, and this is Thornburn's terracotta. So the very first tomato is the very first one to blush. Even though this is more than a 70-day tomato, it's going to be ready far earlier. And it's a giant tomato. Like, you can't really see. It probably weighs well over a half a pound, I'm certain. So everything looks really beautiful. I think that this beautiful black beauty will be ready in a few days as well. So these are just absolutely gorgeous. Check it out, I got cucumbers. Oh, this is the one thing that I like. I wait and wait and wait for. I'm never like tired of cucumbers. I can pull 20 cucumbers a day and I will put them all to use. This Origeron garden here, this is a volunteer. We don't know where it came from. And it's so strange because this little area here, I don't know if you can see the two rocks. The one on the left here is where my Evelyn is buried. And this here is the heart, my darling girl, Gracie Gray. They're both buried here. And I had said last year, I saw a video with someone that had Origeron growing. And I said, wow, look at this beautiful flower. I would love to have some Origeron, but I've never seen it in the store before. Maybe I just never paid attention. Don't you know, it magically appeared right next to Evelyn's grave area. And it's just, this Origeron is so special to me because I feel like it was a gift. What's up, Ock? Are you hot? How you doing, Allie? Mr. Buddy, you guys ready to go in? All right, I think it's too hot out here. I think we should go in. Look what happens to my wild Irish hair. Oh my gosh, I look like a maniac. I'm sweating. So anyway, you guys, there's one other thing I wanted to show you. Even though today was a food day for me, every Sunday I'm in the house making 3 gallons of salad. I make that 3 gallons of salad on Sunday morning and Thursday mornings, and that salad lasts us for several days because of the process I make. And I can link that video below for you of my salad process. But Farmer John, of course, you know, he works out here all weekend long. My shirt is starting to get wet. He was out here working on just a quick little bed that he made for me from recycled material, and I'll turn the camera around and show you. It's not done yet, but you can get the idea. Now, all these pavers here were reclaimed from a dumpster. I told you that we have a connection, and these were all in a dumpster. All we had to do was go in and get them. It wasn't like in a trash yard, it's in a stone yard. But they dispose of this stuff for whatever reason. So I told Farmer John that I wanted an herb garden and I wanted it close to the back door. So he put this together for me. We're gonna top it off with some nice fresh soil, and I'm going to actually finally plant my most delicious herbs here. I love, oh, my pot broke. See, it was right on time. This was meant to be. Of course, this is just basic English thyme, but this lime thyme, it's suffering because it's root bound in the pot, but this is one of the most delicious herbs I've ever had. And over here, this Cascade lemon thyme, this is so incredibly delicious. It's fragrant and flavorful, and once I get it into the dirt, it's going to spread beautifully through this bed here, and this will be my nice little herb garden that I'll expand on. You know, later on the season, I'll probably plant some more stuff in here, or you know, I'll see what I have that will hold up through the winter. Wow, it's so humid. So anyway, you guys, for those of you who comment to us below all the time, tell me what you're doing this weekend. Are you enjoying the holiday weekend, or do you just stay home and enjoy quiet time for a long weekend? Hopefully you all have off tomorrow and Tuesday as well. Anyway, I know this was just a quick walk around. I just wanted to show you how beautiful everything looked in this light. So if this is your first time stopping here, my name is Leigh, and this is our backyard garden. If you like garden content and everything that comes with it, planting, harvesting, buying seeds and things like that, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us, and make some comments and engage with us. And we're trying to grow our channel, and we hope that you'll want to come along with us. So anyway, you guys, thanks for spending your night with me on this holiday weekend. I hope you have a great, healthy, and happy weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.